Okay, in this video we'll show you how you can use Outlook to store your contacts, names, addresses, telephone numbers, email addresses, etc. in one convenient place. This is a typical Outlook view, and you can see the inbox here, and on the left hand side of the screen you've got shortcuts to the calendar and contacts and folder list. Your view may look slightly different on this side of the screen. You may have these buttons condensed to little shortcuts like that, or you may even be on the folder list view. But either way, there will be a button here which will take you to contacts, either through there or contacts from the folder list. So this is your address book, and this one is completely empty. Little shortcut buttons on the side to take you to the appropriate letter of the alphabet, A, B, C's. So we'll start off by creating a simple contact for John Smith. So we select New in the top left hand corner, and this presents us with the Outlook address card. There's a lot of fields you can fill in here. You don't have to do them all, just the minimum is obviously the name and then a phone number or an email address. But the more you put in, then the more benefit you get out of Outlook later on. So in this instance, we'll create a full name. We'll call him Mr. John Smith. Job title, we'll say he's a salesman. And the company is at Liverpool Ford. Okay. Then we'll put a business phone number in, which will be 01512356789. And then a mobile number, 07765 662 345. Okay. And finally we can put an email address in for him, so we'll call him john@liverpoolford.com. Okay, so that's the basic information for that contact. This area here, this rectangle, is useful for notes, freehand notes, whatever you want to put in there. We can put simple things. We can put that his wife is called Alison. We can say he supports Everton. Okay. Or you can say we bought a C-class last December. Okay, whatever you want to put in there. So once you've put your notes in, checked all the details, click Save and Close, and that creates an address card for John Smith. If it was a company, a business that we were setting up in there, just exactly the same way. So we can say Alpha Motor Company. Okay, the File As button will assume it's a customer, it'll assume it's somebody called Mr. Company, so you can actually change that round in the drop down box there, so it goes Alpha Motor Company. You can put the phone number in, okay, and then again you can say that the salesman is David. Okay, so save and close. And now we've got a contact created for the Alpha Motor Company. At any time we can go back, double click on those contact names and add extra information we want to, or edit stuff or delete, save and close, and takes us back to the contacts view. Another easy way to get contacts is to start off by looking at your inbox. So we'll have emails here from people who we'd ideally like to have set up as a permanent contact on our list. For example, this one. Okay, so we open the email and it shows who it's from at the top, and if we simply right click the name, there's an option there to say Add to Outlook Contacts. Click on that, and that opens up an Outlook address card pre-filled with a lot of the information that it's gleaned already from the email, just for you then to put the missing bits of information in, then click Save and Close. So that's a nice, easy way to get contact information, and particularly names and email addresses. Likewise, when you're typing a new email, as you type a message in, it starts to come up with the person's name. So you can just select the name and then right click it, add to contacts, and again you can create a contact from there nice and easily. Okay, back to the inbox view. So all these contacts that appear in this list here get synchronized onto your mobile phone and BlackBerry device. If you add a new contact on here, it automatically gets added into your phone. If you edit, delete any of them, they also find their way back onto either the phone or back into Outlook. So getting these contacts together in one place is a vitally important part of using Outlook and getting the best benefit out of your mobile phone.